Hi, so on this video we're going to discuss how to use a very important one of the you will make this one of your best friend as a VA or a virtual assistant, because based on our experiences, if we need to find answers, you can go to Google. And the second tool that we always rely on is the tool called ChatGPT. It's free. We can use it anywhere. You can also use it on your phone. All you need is your Google browser and then go to chatgpt.com. And once you're here, then you can just explore. Let's say your client um, wants to uh, let's say your client is asking help where he can um, buy a flower for his mother on Mother's Day. All right, and of course you already know where your client lives. Let's say the city he's in. Let's say he is in Georgia or California. I should already know that. So you can actually go to ChatGPT and say, "Hi, my client is asking me to help him." So you have to tell ChatGPT of, let's say, what you want or what's the situation. So ChatGPT can also give you great answers. So let's say, "Hi, my client is asking me to help him find flower shops in, let's say, California." Or if you have a specific state, California, for his mother, or for his mother on Mother's Day. Oh, what happened? I'm sorry. I think. Oh, no, no, no. That's it. That sounds like let's quickly try. Oh, ChatGPT is asking us if we have a specific region. Let's say California state. I don't know. San Francisco. It's San Francisco. There you go. So ChatGPT is already giving you answers. You can Google this. Let's say the bud shop. Right click, highlight, and then search Google. The bud stop. Oh, this is not the right shop. The bud stop. Oh, the bud stop, not the bud shop. The bud stop is a retail flower shop and design. So this must be the correct. Here you go. Not the one. So this is the correct store. If they have a website, you can click it, and then you can copy the link, and let's say you can create a Google sheet and then paste the link here, and then name of the shop, and then you can put here the location. What else? If they have a contact details, you can also put it in there and go to the next shop. right click and Google. So let's say this is a shop. You just get the link to the website, then paste it on your Google Sheet. We need to wrap up the text so it looks clean. You can make the headers bold. You can also freeze the top row. So you have to arrange your sheet so that the client, can read it the properly, and have here the contact details. That's it. It's easy, right? Or I'll give you an example here. I have a sheet called expenses. And let's say you wanted to figure out a formula and you don't know how to do it. So let's say we have here random numbers, and then you wanted to, instead of using your calculator, you wanted to get the total sum of this figures. So let's say we wanted to add more data. The total amount will be updated real time, but you don't know how to create a formula in Google Sheet. So you can tell ChatGPT, hi, what is the formula of adding numbers in Google Sheet? There you go. So ChatGPT is asking now, giving us an answer. This is a formula. You can just copy it, but your figures should be, let's say your figures are from A1 to A5. So you can put it here, then you can paste the formula, but our figures are from A2 to A9. So we can change the numbers here. So that is the total amount. So ChatGPT is giving you answers. Technically, ChatGPT can help us most of the time. If you just know how to use ChatGPT, if you don't know what questions to ask to ChatGPT, you can tell him what you really wanted to do. Say, hi, my client asked me to look for AI tools that converts data to, let's say, Canva presentation. So here it is. You don't need to use Google. Actually, I like ChatGPT more than Google because I really don't need to go through searching for AI tools that, let's compare AI tools that convert data to Canva presentation. So it's also giving the same answers, right? But either or, the most important thing is you should be able to know how to use ChatGPT or other AI tools that can help you be efficient in your tasks. So that's it, and see you on the next video. Let me know if you have further questions.